March 17, 2026. We are now on day 76 of our 365 Days of Abundant Life series. 1 Peter chapter 4 verse 10. God has given each of you a gift from his great variety of spiritual gifts. Use them well to serve one another. Today's topic title, God says, I have given you a gift to use to serve. I have given you a gift, not a material one, but a spiritual one. This gift is not intended primarily for your personal enjoyment, but for you to employ in service to others. My gift will enable you to give yourself away to those around you in ways that will effectively strengthen their faith and walk with me. My Spirit distributes my gifts, and He alone decides which one person should have. He has given you a gift that is just right for you, and you must fan it into flame. I want you to use what I've given you to serve others. If profuse wisdom, use it to serve someone who needs wise counsel. If helping others, use it to serve someone who needs your practical assistance. If teaching, use it to gently correct someone who does not understand my word. As of recording my reflection for March 17, time check, it's actually already March 18, 9:48 a.m. dito sa time namin sa California. But dyan sa Pilipinas, it's already March 18, 9:48 p.m. So magmi-midnight na dyan, no? Advance kasi yung oras dyan sa Pilipinas. And yung reading ko, nagagawa ko naman siya in the morning. Itong pag-upload lang talaga ng aking daily reflection. Diyan ako medyo nadidelay kasi nga I also have to do some edits din ba. I have to put some caption, ganyan. Then I have to make I also like to make my own reflection, ganyan. And so let's head on to the reflection. So for today's topic title, God says, I have given you a gift to use to serve. So each one of us know, God has given us different skills, talent, or we are blessed differently. And we can all, we can use that to serve God and serve others through serving others. So ganyan. So let's say for example, singing. So no need naman no na yung talent mo na sa singing is dapat pang ano talaga na level, pang Pilipinas Got Talent or The Voice nga ganyan. Hindi naman kailangan na ganyan na level yung ano. It should just be something if you're really passionate about something that you really enjoy doing, then sing. You can use your voice to sing praises, you know, to sing worship songs, to share the gospel of God, ganyan ba? And then, what else? Kahit pa sabihin mo na, ay, ordinary yung mamamayan lang naman ako, anong kaya kong gawin to serve others or serve God? Wala naman, kahit nga financially, naghihirap nga ako. O hindi totoo yan. If you try to look in deeper, each one of us talaga, guys, we are, maybe financially, you're not financially well off, but you are blessed differently. It's because God has a different purpose for you. Ganyan siya ba? So, like another example naman, dito sa social media, whether you're a small or big influencer, ganyan, if you use that in a way na, yun bang main objective mo is, I'd like to serve God through serving others, yung mga ganyan, then your main priority would be, I'd like to use this position na in a good way ba? Kasi pag ganyan yung focus mo, then you have this guide na ano yung dapat at hindi dapat gawin. Because if your priority is like, for example, you're just using it for fame or money, ganyan, and dyan tayo napapariwara, no? That's why right now in a world where a lot of people are yung priority ba is to get engagement para kumita ng pera, mga ganyan, they tend to do or post bad stuff just to get, para lang kumita, ganyan. So it's not good.